Okay. Are you ready? Okay.
Miss, would I like to access my answers again? So
Ready?
can I take like 1 minute?
Yeah, sure. You can take a picture of your answer. Four minutes pass and these balloons are still not here. What's happening? Have you got any answers, mother?
I don't think I can access it. Wait. It just says I failed to update record.
All right, never mind. We can do it together. Okay, let's do this. All right, today, new advances in technology often make old technology useless. Throwing away outdated technological goods is the big source of environmental damage. What do you think is an error in the first sentence?
Mm. Is it the wait, sorry, big.
No, it's the. It's not supposed to be the big source, but a big source because it wasn't mentioned before that. All right, so this error is the article usage. Okay. All right, so the next one is a big source of environment. Many mercury found in most fluorescent. Oh, this one's quite easy. Any error here? I can't see any error.
No, I don't think there's any error either.
Yeah, no error here. Okay. All right, so no error. All right, so mercury found in most light bulbs is toxic to both humans and animals. Batteries make before the 1990s. Are you also easy? Which one is the answer here?
What is toxic? The is.
No.
Wait.
Mercury is toxic. So this is still
Oh,
okay. Batteries make before the 1990s. Batteries.
made.
Thank you. Batteries made. So this is a tense error. Made before the 1990s also contain mercury. These days, people discard the electronic products without much thought. What error is that?
Discards.
Thank you. Discards change to?
Discard.
All right, thank you. These days, people discard. There's an SVA error, okay? So people discard electronic products without much thought, but improper proposal of, sounds so weird. What's the error here? These days, people discard electronic products without much thought.
I think there's no error.
There is an error, but improper disposable can cause problems. These days, people discard electronic products without much thought, but improper disposable of electronic products can cause problems. It's not a but, right? They throw it without much thought, and the disposal also causes problems. So it is what? Not
the but is the but is wrong.
Yeah, and what is it supposed to be?
And.
Thank you. And conjunction, okay? So these days, people discard electronic products without much thought, and improper disposal of electronic products can cause problems. Air shall be polluted when
It's the shell.
Thank you. Air, not shall be, but what's the answer? Air?
Should.
Air can be polluted. It's supposed to be air can. Air will. Air will be polluted or air can be polluted. Okay, it's a modal. Okay, let me write this modal. Okay, air can be polluted or air will be polluted when people burn electronic waste to got copper. If not thrown away.
The wrong word is got.
Yes. What is it supposed to be?
Get.
Thank you. Tense. All right. If not thrown away properly, toxins from electronic waste can enter the soil and water supplies.
There's no error.
All right. Next one. Everyone has a role to play in reducing electronic waste.
The wrong word is the.
Wow, you're very good at this. Everyone has
Oh,
a role. Thank you. Very good. This is good. I couldn't spot it. Consumers should resist or at least delays buying new devices until they really need them.
the wrong word is delays.
Yes. Answer is supposed to be?
Delay.
Oh, God. Mother, not bad. Even though you did it on the spot, I think you did a pretty good job. Alrighty. May, discard, and can, will, get, why, a, and delay. Yeah, well done. All right, so we're going to go more on to essay writing, and this is where I'm going to give you some time to think of an essay. But let's read the question. Can you read for me all the 11, 12, 13, and 14, all 4 questions?
11. Question 11. Describe the house or flat you live in. Question number 12. All children should learn to play musical instruments. What are your views? Question number 13. Write about a task which turned out to be more difficult than you initially thought. Question number 14. Write about a time you caused great disappointment to a person. What do you do about the situation?
Okay, so all 4 questions are slightly different. This is a descriptive question. This is asking your views question. This is asking about a personal recount, all right? So last one is a personal recount, and this is asking you about a task which turned out to be. So let's now, what we're going to do is, we're not going to do planning. We are going to look at how the essay is going to be broken down. Then I'm going to give you 20 minutes to plan out an essay. Okay, so let's start the describe the house. So in describe the house that you live in, what you need to do is firstly talk about the type of house that you do live in. Where is it located? How does it look outside of the house? And what impression does one get upon looking at it? So this is just the setting about the entire plot about the house. So descriptive houses, okay, Madhav, I need to tell you something. Especially in secondary school, your descriptive essay is very different from your primary school descriptive essay. In a secondary school, your descriptive essay has to be highly descriptive to that sense. Like when I read the essay, I must be able to visualize. That means you must have a very good range of vocabulary. Only then attempt a descriptive essay, okay? What does the living room look like? What color is the living room? Is there any event that is commonly done? What is there after? So when I say descriptive essay, I want you to use your 5 senses. What do you see? What do you smell? What do you hear? What do you feel? What do you touch? So you must be able to describe it in such a way that you are able to, evoke all the feelings, okay? The next one. Describe the house or flat that you live in. What does the dining room look like? Wow, when do you use the dining room? What sort of occasions do you use the dining room for? Who else lives in this house? What are the other bedrooms? So do you see it's all going about the house that you lived in? And lastly, what do you think of this house that you live in? Are you comfortable? And what type of memories are there in this house? All right, so if you are going to attempt this question, you need to use words that are very, very highly descriptive, okay? Let's read this question, question 12. Can you read to me the pointers about all children should learn to play musical instruments? Could you read this for me?
The writing pointers.
Yeah.
Introduction. A balanced viewpoint that learning to play musical instruments has its benefits, but recognition needs to be there that not everyone is musically inclined.
Okay, stop there. So immediately they say that what are your views? So you must give a very balanced view. All right. That means learning to play instruments has its benefits, but not everyone is musically inclined. So can you see how they started the essay? Continue. Benefit of learning to play instrument. Go on. Go on, mother, read. Are you there, mother? Yeah, read.
Wait, I'm supposed to read the body one.
Yeah.
Sorry. Body one. Benefit of learning to play musical instrument 1. It improves a child's academic skills. Understanding beat, rhythm, and scales helps a child learn how to divide and recognize patterns. Improve memory, recall how to play more pieces of music by heart. Improve coordination and motor skills.
So this entire paragraph is talking about the benefits. I want you to learn this because this teaches you how to structure your essay as well. So in this essay, in this paragraph, what are you writing? The benefit of learning musical instrument is child's academic skills, memory, and coordination and motor skills. Do you get it, mother? So when you write essays like this, in this paragraph, you know that you're talking about the benefits. Put in all three benefits here. Let's look at paragraph 2. Benefit of learning to play instrument, musical instrument 2. Could you read this for me?
Body 2. Benefit of learning to play musical instrument 2. Instills discipline, patience, and perseverance. Learning takes time, needs daily practice to improve. Self-esteem and self-confidence is boosted when they accomplish their goals. Playing in a group cultivates social skills. Child must adjust their playing in terms of loudness and speed according to the other musicians in the group. Learn to accept criticism and use it to turn mistakes into positive change.
Positive change. So this again goes on to talk about the benefits, okay? And your last paragraph. Oh, sorry, it's not last paragraph, second last paragraph. This is the counter argument, the balanced viewpoint. Go on. Learning a musical instrument has its benefits. These skills and can be learned from other pursuits. Go on. Very often, read the 2 bullet points.
Okay, very often, children are forced into learning an instrument, and this may not necessarily be what they enjoy. The children who have no interest in playing a musical instrument, they will give up soon, and many who are forced will not want to continue when they are adults.
All right, so the question in this essay, mother, they talked about all children should learn to play instrument. So this is a very key word that you need to focus on in your essay. Or what you're trying to say is that, yes, learning a musical instrument has many benefits, like paragraph 1. These are the 3 benefits. Paragraph 2. These are the 4 benefits. Even though I've listed 7 benefits, we must also realize that learning a musical instrument is not something that everyone will enjoy. Some people will give up, and when they give up, some people will not enjoy it, and some people will give up when they are not forced to do it. So they're only doing it because they are forced to do it. So children are already overloaded with school and extracurricular activities. So they should only be learned to learn an instrument if they desire or they wish to. Not all children should learn to play a musical instrument. Only those who are eager or gifted should learn. Do you see the difference? So in this essay, the student who has written this or planned for this essay has taken a very, what kind of view has he taken? A very balanced view. So he has given the benefits of learning a musical instrument, but he also says that doesn't mean, the key word here, mother, is all. Not all children should learn. Children who are interested, children who are gifted, children who are eager, children who have a desire, they should learn. Not everyone should be forced. For example, should all children learn how to cook? If you are not someone who likes cooking, then why teach you? You know what I mean? So it's going along with that thing. All right, this is another essay. Write about a task which turned out to be more difficult than you initially thought. All right, because I'm going to give you some time to go and plan out. So I'm giving you all these pointers because depending on which question do you want to choose 11, which is describe the house, 12, which is about playing instruments, 13, which is about a task, and 14 is about a disappointment. So I'm going to give you a choice later, but let's go through 13. We've gone through the first story. So write about a task which turned out to be more difficult than you initially. Very key word, underline keyword. It has to be a task, not many tasks. It has to be more difficult than you initially thought. So introduction of choice, it can be a flashback, it can be a dialogue, it can be an inner thought. What is the situation? Who was involved? What was the task? When did this task happen? Where did this task? So location, time, this is location, this is time, this is detail about who and what. And most importantly, remember this focus is on one task. So any Sec 1 student who write to me about 2 or 3 tasks, you'll fail the exam already because it's a task, okay? Rising action of the task, the struggles you face while doing the task. What were the struggles? How did you cope? Why? This is a very important thing. Why was it more difficult than you initially thought? Is there an alternative way to do this thing? At the end of the task, what did you learn? On hindsight, was there other way that the task could have been done in a much easier way? Okay, so this is if you do a question on write about a task. Let's do the next one. Write about a time that you caused great disappointment to a person What did you do about? So these are two-part question, mother. I want about